Hey there, Nocturnes! Welcome back sa English Me, dito sa Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark. Ako nga pala ulit si Kuya N, ang inyong class president. Noong nakaraang meeting with Sir Jeremy, pinag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa isang mahalagang skill para may proteksyon laban sa plagiarism cases, ang paraphrasing. Ano nga ulit ito? Ang paraphrasing, ito yung hindi pangongopya ng mga pinagkuhaan mong sentences o paragraph, kundi kukunin mo lang yung parehong ideas, yung main and subordinate ideas, pero tatahiin mo yan gamit ang sarili mong, yes, word choices. Parehong idea, ngunit sarili mo ring komposisyon kasi iba yung ginamit mong mga salita. So ngayon, sa klase natin with Sir Jeremy, tayo ay isasabak sa isang challenge. May ipapakita sa atin na paraphrase ng isang original, tatlong paraphrases, at dapat alamin natin kung alin doon ang pinaka-swak, yung hindi magkakaroon ng kaso ng plagiarism. At pagkatapos nun, tayo naman ang sasabak sa laban. Tayo naman yung mismong magpa-paraphrase. Nasasabi ka na ba para subukan ang skill na ito? Dahil nakasalalay dito ang buhay mo sa iyong academic life. Kaya ayusin na natin. Samahan niyo na ako sa ating klase kay Sir Jeremy. Oh English me, oh English me, gusto kong matuto ng Ingles pero hindi alam kung paano.
Welcome back, class. For tonight, we shall test your paraphrasing skills. I hope you do remember what a paraphrase is. This time, we'll look at how a good paraphrase looks like, and a bad one also. Now, your job is to read the following paraphrases, and then tell me if each is a good or a bad one. And for the ones that you consider bad, suggest ways of improving it, okay? Comment down below your thoughts. Take note that a bad paraphrase has the following characteristics. 1. There is the same sentence structure as the original, and then 2. It has the same keywords as the original. And these words may appear different, but they have just been rearranged, or replaced with a different part of speech of the word. So the word was just simply changed into another form, but essentially it's still the same root word. So shall we start? Okay, here's the original text. There is evidence to suggest that newsmakers are becoming particularly savvy about placing items on the media agenda. When, for example, President Reagan was running for his second term, he took a tour to promote his administration's record on environmentalism. The tour was full of photo opportunities, including the president standing on a fishing boat in the Chesapeake Bay, and the president's wearing a Park Ranger's hat at Mammoth Cave, Kentucky. Here's the first paraphrase. Can you examine it closely and see if it is a good one? Let's have the following checklist. Does it contain both the main and subordinate ideas? Check. And it is also free of personal views or reactions to the original material. But sadly, it has the same sentence structure as the original, and it has the same keywords. So, only 2 have been fulfilled. 2 qualities of a good paraphrase. Let's have the second one. Do you think this is better than the first? Examine closely. Does it contain both the main and subordinate ideas? Yes, Is it free of personal views or reactions to the original material? Yes, it is. Does it have different sentence structure? Nuh-uh. The only difference is that the source material is cited within the text, but there is no change whatsoever in the sentence structure. Does it have different keywords? No, also. What about this one? Let's evaluate. Does it contain both the main and subordinate ideas? Yes. Is it free of personal views or reactions to the original material? Yes, it is. Does it have different sentence structure? Yes, it does. And does it use different keywords? Obviously, it does. Conclusion: the third attempt is the best paraphrase because it meets all four characteristics in the checklist. So if you want to produce something as awesome, make sure you have four qualities. Now let's test your paraphrasing skills. Read the following text and then paraphrase it. Make sure you produce a good paraphrase. Here's the text. The Antarctic is the vast source of cold on our planet, just as the sun is the source of our heat, and it exerts tremendous control on our climate. Cousteau told the camera. The cold ocean water around Antarctica flows north to mix with warmer water from the tropics, and its upwellings help to cool both the surface water and our atmosphere. Yet the fragility of this regulating system is now threatened by human activity. So the source is Captain Cousteau, Audubon, May 1990, issue 17. So how will you do this? I'll give you a few seconds. If you're ready, you may begin to look at the sample paraphrase and see if it's good. According to Jacques Cousteau, the activity of people in Antarctica is jeopardizing a delicate natural mechanism that controls the Earth's climate. He fears that human activity could interfere with the balance between the sun, the source of the Earth's heat, and the important source of cold from Antarctic waters that flow north and cool the oceans and atmosphere. Can you compare? There's no according to use in the original, so it's okay. The word climate is used again, but it's a technical term, so it's okay to use a technical term if dropping it will change the meaning of the paraphrase. As long as dominantly you have a different sentence structure and choice of words. So you see, that's how we write a paraphrase. We may make a longer one than the original or shorter one or just as the same length as long as we retain the important and subordinate ideas. If you want to read up and confirm the existence of these paragraphs, you may take a look at these sources. So, till the next class, continue surviving in the dark.
Oh English me, oh English me, gusto kong matuto ng Ingles pero hindi alam kung paano. Sino ang magtuturo? Gusto kong matuto na talaga. Oh English me. Word of the night. Smother. Verb. Ang first three na makakapag-comment sa baba ng meaning at ng kanyang original sentence ay magkakaroon ng special mention sa susunod na episode. Kaya isabit nyo na ang inyong post bago mag-Friday para masama sa editing ang inyong gawa. Kung nagustuhan mo ang episode na ito, i-like mo lang. Kung may mga katanungan ka o suggestion, mag-comment ka na lang din. Saka, i-share mo naman din to sa mga kakilala mong senior high na mag-take ng A-up. Kasi alam niyo naman sa panahon ngayon, kanya-kanyang diskarte para makakuha ng resources. At isa na doon ang Nocturnal Sage kung talaga naniniwala ka sa turo ni Sir Jeremy. Tapos sumali ka rin sa ating private Facebook group. Libre naman yun eh. Basta may account ka lang ng Facebook, makakasali ka na sa private space para sa mga nocturnes na kagaya mo. Kung isa ka ngang nocturne, kung nahihiya ka mag-suggest ng kung ano man sa ibaba, at least sa private space, meron kang privacy para i-air yung mga nais mong pag-usapan pa sa ating channel. Higit sa lahat, subscribe. Saka i-tap mo yung notification bell para hindi ka mahuli sa mga iba pang updates at new releases every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Ang Nocturnal Sage ay nakafocus sa 4 na larangan. Ang self-conquest, kung ikaw ay may pinagdaraan ng mga negative emotions kagaya ng sadness, anger, o anuman, bibigyan ka namin ng tips kung paano ito pagdaanan na hindi nangangailangan ng prescription na hindi kami psychiatrist. Communication, kaya may English me eh. Pero bukod doon sa pagsusulat, pagbasa ng English, pwede rin namin kayo tulungan sa pag-develop ng self-confidence kapag nakipag-usap ka sa iba. Kahit yung pasalita, mapa-English o mapa-Tagalog man yan, kung naghahanap ka ng paraan, kuwari, para maging mas persuasive ka, na hindi nakakasakit o nakakasira ng mga relasyon, para sa iyo ang channel na to. Leadership, kung ikaw ay bagong halal na student council president, kung ikaw ay nag-aaral pa, o club officer, class officer, o di kaya ay isa ka ng professional tapos bago kang promote, gusto mong malaman kung paano humawak ng tao, gusto mo ng tips, tamang-tama, nanonood ka ngayon ng Nocturnal Sage. Yung pang-apat ay ang expansion. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng paraan para lumago sa iyong karera o sa buhay mismo na hindi nakasalalay sa dami ng pera, kundi sa pagkakaroon ng kabuluhan sa iyong ginagawa araw-araw, pwede ka namin bigyan ng tips sa kung anong mga skill sets ang kakailanganin mo para matamo ang ganung klaseng pagyabong. So, kung ikaw ay isang teen or young adult na may mga ganitong concerns, tamang-tama ay dumalo ka sa Nocturnal Sage. Salamat sa panonood. Ako muli, si Kuya N. Kita-kits sa susunod na episode ng English Me dito sa Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark.